Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right there, we're doing ginger fish. It's really, really delicious, packed with flavors and very easy to make. Let's get on with it. So very simply, mixing bowl, we're going to add our ginger powder, our salt and pepper, in that goes. And then cornstarch or corn flour. As you can see, I've got some gloves on here, a little bit more there actually, let me get that in. I've got my gloves on. We're simply going to just mix this around and give it a nice coating all over, and then we're going to go to the cooker. So what I've got here is like an inch of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something different. And we're going to put in our fish. As you can see, it's not going crazy, the oil, the heat, but it's certainly nice and hot. So we're going to go in. We're going to cook these for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'll be turning them a few times. I'm probably going to do this in 2 batches, to be honest. I'm not going to get it all in there. Don't crowd the pan. Once they're done, they're going to go onto some paper towel, set aside. We can move on and get it together. Okay, that's looking beautiful. Nice golden brown. Now, if you're concerned that it's not cooked all the way through, it actually is. Don't worry, because we're going to be cooking it again when we get it in the pan with some other lovely flavors and vegetables. So fetching it out now. Like I say, I've still got a little bit more to do. I'm going to go for a second batch. And then we're ready to take a look at some other ingredients. Okay, so done on some paper towel just to get any excess off. Right, the oil, I'm going to reduce that down by 90% because it's got some lovely flavorings in it, and we can just use that to start the next process. Okay, so the fish is ready. This is what we've got next. We've got some onion and bell pepper, green pepper, cut nice and chunky, about the same size. We've got a tablespoon of garlic there, and we've just got maybe 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger there, or like 1 inch, which I sliced up. And then here I've got some cornstarch or corn flour in some water, made a little slurry. That's going to help us thicken it up. We're going back to the cooker. So as you can see, I've reduced that oil down, kept some of it, like I say, lovely flavor. Let's drop in our garlic and our ginger. We're on quite a high heat now, as you can hear and see. In goes the onion. In goes the bell pepper. A little bit more black pepper. A little bit more salt. Now if you wanted, you could add some fish sauce to this maybe. 2 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving all the time. See you then. So just 2 minutes there, keeping it nice and crunchy and fresh. Now in goes the fish. Beautiful. Up next, we're going to add that water with the cornstarch. You can really play around with this. Once it goes in is when you can find out if it's working or not. I'm going to need to add some more water to that. I'll be back in just about 1 minute, less than a minute. Just keep it moving around now, get some flavor onto our fish. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna add some water now. And now we're gonna see if the cornstarch was enough or not. Let it come to a boil, and as it boils, it will thicken slightly. If not, we're gonna add some more. And if it's too thick, you need to add some water. Yeah, that's thickening up there. Can you see that? And as it steams and evaporates out, it will thicken even more. Beautiful. I'll be back in about 90 seconds. Off goes the heat. Beautiful. Like I say, you need to play around with the cornstarch or corn flour a little bit and the water, but that's kind of where you want it, a nice kind of sticky glaze. I'm going to get that on a plate. See you shortly. Okay, that's plated. Some green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them. So many names for so many things. But that's beautiful. That's a really nice, easy fish dish. No soy in there, no soy sauce, no fish sauce, but really super tasty ginger fish. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Please do give us a thumbs up. That helps us out a great deal. And more importantly than all, leave us a comment. We want to know you're fine. We want to know your views. Just want to have a little chat, really, don't we? Anyway, we'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.